Okay, I've put the spark plugs in. I'm not hooking them up so there's no spark. Just the plugs are in, so there will be compression this time when I press the start button. So let's find out when I press the start button if I can reach that far across. Actually, I think I'll walk around here so that I don't get oil thrown all over me. And we'll hold this over here, facing down. There you go, should be able to see it. I'm going to press the button now. Okay. Now that kind of action, where it won't push through with the compression in, is usually a weak battery. Now your battery tests good, but I'm going to change it anyway. Because you should get better action than that. So I'm going to get a new battery and try this again. We'll still change out the starter motor because basically this one sucks rocks from the day it was made. So at this point I'm going to buy a new battery, put it in, try it again while the new starter motor is being ordered. Now by the way, these big heavy cables here do not strike me as being original. I don't like them. I don't think they're original. I think they've been changed. They don't fit properly. If you look here, got this big ass washer down there on top of that. Don't like it. That could be part of the problem. Could be a bad connection. So at this point, I'm not going to take the primary part anymore because basically it's okay. So I'm just going to get a new battery, order the new starter motor, and we will go from there.